Hey, it's Amanda. Today, we're going to be making a very weird project, but very cool. We're going to be making crayons, and I saw this girl on YouTube. It's very easy, so I'm going to show you. Okay, what you're going to need: paper, cupcake cups, any kind is good. And I already cut up my crayons. This one's going to be a mixture. As you can see, this is pink. This is like a violet, looks like red, purple, this is blue, yellow, this is going to be a swirly green, orange, and red. So if you have a cupcake pan, you could definitely use that, but I'm going to use my toaster oven just to be more quicker. Just line them up to 6 or how many fits your pan, and just make sure that all the paper is off. So you're going to put it on 350, bake for, that's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay, right in the middle, which is going to be 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Let that preheat for about 2 minutes. Just let it get hot. And just going to wait. So this is going to be like a nice swirl. I'm just going to mix this up. So now I'm going to make my part 2.